We often chase success like it's some giant leap, a life-changing moment that will happen overnight. But the truth is, success is rarely about big moments. It's about small wins, the tiny steps, repeated every day, that lead to the biggest victories of all. This is the story of Aman and how small choices changed his life. Aman was 29. Working a desk job, tired all the time, out of shape, and constantly frustrated. He would set big goals: I'll lose 20 kilograms this year. I'll run a marathon. But after a few days of trying, he'd give up, overwhelmed by how far he had to go. He thought motivation would carry him. But motivation fades. One evening, over a casual chat, his friend said, "Stop chasing huge goals. Just win today. Then win again tomorrow." It struck Aman. What if, instead of trying to change everything overnight, he just tried to get a little better each day? So the next morning, Aman didn't overhaul his life. He drank 1 glass of water. He went for a 10-minute walk. He didn't feel different right away. But he didn't stop. Day by day, a little more water, a little longer walk, 1 healthy meal. Soon, 10 minutes became 20. 1 healthy meal became 2. He wasn't perfect. He had bad days. But he kept showing up. He learned to celebrate each small win, not because it was the goal, but because it meant he was still in the game. 6 months later, Aman didn't just look different, he felt different. He had more energy, more confidence, and most importantly, belief in himself. Not because he achieved a big goal, but because he had stacked hundreds of small victories, and those had transformed his life. Today, Aman mentors others, not with fancy programs or impossible routines. Just a simple message: start small. Stay consistent. Your big win is already on the way. So if you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or too far from your dream, stop looking at the finish line. Look at your next small step. Take it. Because big victories don't start with big moves. They start with small wins.